That's not the one I just seen go under our boat, but it's a fish. And it's a bass. And he swallowed it. I thought it was the fish that we just went under our boat, which is why I cast it back out. Just look at that. He just hooked me. You see that? I am hooked. Poor fish. Man. That is unbelievable. Flick shake. Took my worm. Luckily I got a worm right here handy. I can use it. But I just seen a bass on a hard spot under the boat while I was paddling over here to the bank. And I cast back here at it thinking it was the fish, same fish, but I think it was a different fish. Because the one I seen with my eyes was probably about 3 pounds at least. That's why I cast back. And I catch a smaller one. That's crazy. And tried to hook me. Just a weightless worm, yum digger, green pumpkin, flick shake. You just never know what you're gonna catch with a yum digger flick shake. Just let the bait do the work. Fish see it like that, and they come eat it just like that. Pretty simple, not that hard, not that difficult. Mind you, this ain't that big of a fish, and just kick my worm off. Sit still and I'll get you off, just like that. Yum dinger, green pumpkin. Pretty simple. And he tore my worm up, but I'm gonna still try to fish with it. I mean, it's tore all to pieces, but as long as it still fishes, I'm gonna fish it. And just let the bait do the work, like I was saying. That fish hit it when it was sinking. I'm just trying to find out where they're at. All right, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna keep on fishing with this flick shake, yum dinger. And I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you, oh my goodness, that's a fish. That's a fish. Got him. It's the biggest fish of the day. Nice bass. Get. Goodness gracious. That's a nice one. I'm getting ready to end the video and I catch a fish. Get in here. Get in here. That's a nice one. That's a nice fish. If he will sit still, I'll get him off the hook. Hooked right in the bottom of the mouth. Just like that. It's a good fish. Good enough for a picture. I'm gonna let this thing go. That's how we do it. Flick shake, baby. Flick shake. Just like that. Let that thing go back in the water like it's supposed to. Just like that. That's how we do.